Alright, are you guys ready for a blast from the past? Because we are at the Circle K by Westport Plaza, a car wash I last visited, I believe, about 13 years ago. This used to be a Mark VII Aquajet 500, I believe. I'm assuming by now it's been replaced and we'll have something new to check out. And my goodness, time has not treated this place well. This has been terrible so far. So I bought a wash at the pump. First off, the pump was broken where I had to hold down the nozzle to dispense gas the whole time. Then it was out of receipt paper, so I had to go inside. Inside, the bathrooms are out, one of the doors is broken, only one register works, their credit card terminal was broken, and the line was about 6 people deep. So, it took about 15 minutes just to get the receipt printed so I could get my wash code. This place ain't looking so good so far, and I'm very curious to see what kind of condition this car wash is going to be in. First off, apologies about the camera setup. My GoPro has been decommissioned and I am still waiting for my replacement to come in at this point. So I am down to one camera, handheld, but I'll do my best here to make this work. I guess they're remodeling, maybe? There's a sign saying that the car wash is closed, but it's kind of over to the side, so hopefully it works. Yeah, this doesn't look so good back here either. It says car wash ready. And yeah, they got one of these new ChoiceWash units that every Circle K seems to be getting these days. Hit continue. Enter my code. I bought the top wash.
By touching the corresponding buttons. Touch enter. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Make sure all my windows are up. Mark VII does like to grab your attention when it's time to stop. Oh boy. I don't know if you caught that the blasters on the top were just aimed straight at the machine and not aimed down, but we are not off to a good start here. Nice coating of triple foam, though. Actually did a pretty okay job profiling the car. I think that brush is just hanging out over there, barely making contact with the car. Every once in a while it gets it. Zero contact with the car this time. Except for the top brush. The two side ones are just missing it completely. Pretty sure that was supposed to be a high-power rinse for the top right there that just didn't work. Yeah, it's just blasting the chassis of the machine. It's not aiming down. Well, that was something. That was not much for a $17 wash. Nice dryers, though. These are doing a good job. Generous dryer time too. I didn't even need, I got 28 seconds left here, and honestly the dryers are so powerful that I didn't even need the whole time. So yeah, that wasn't great. Nothing about that experience was very good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed a little blast from the past. That's not looking so good. It did get the job done, though. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. And that's it.